Okay, imagine you have infinite money to spend. What are you getting out of my machine? Got the keys right here. They work. This one. Oh, wrong. Oh, wait, no. See? My machine. That's 20 seconds. No. Well, what you getting? We got all the good chips. Hot stuff. Some cinnamon rolls. Other stuff. We got drinks too. Got Root Beer. Coca-Cola, Sprite. Sprite's the best seller. My favorite though has got to be Juicy Fruit. I do say, I always stash them on top of the machine too. I stash them on top, right there. Yep. Juicy Fruit. I munch on this stuff and Snickers. So what y'all's getting? Tell me in the comments.